This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: iOS 14 or later, enough storage, and mic permission. Once done, pick your tool native voice memos for quick captures or a third-party app for presets and real-time effects. Make sure to sign in with your Apple ID so app purchases or OV3 plugins install cleanly. Tap the app, grant microphone and file access, and record a short test clip to verify input levels. This avoids noise issues later and speeds up the workflow. Next, you configure effects and audio routing. Open the effect list, pick a core preset, pitch shift for voices, robot for lo-fi, then tweak semitones, formant, and wet/dry percentage so the result matches your intent. Once configured, enable live monitoring to hear changes in real time. Make sure latency is acceptable. If you use OV3 or inter-app audio, route the app into your recorder or calling app and test again. This detailed setup ensures consistent output and prevents unexpected tone shifts. To finish, export or route the processed audio at the correct sample rate, WAV for highest fidelity or M4A to save space, and normalize to around -1 dB to avoid clipping. If you plan live use, check gain staging and enable a noise gate to remove background hiss. If things go wrong, restart the app, verify microphone and background audio permissions, and update iOS or the app. Reinstalling usually clears corrupted settings. This final sweep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.